Well, I got a decent piece of fuel line for the carburetor's new intake, so that'll go on there for the fuel tank side. Then that is going to fit right down in there, but I gotta heat it up so it'll actually slip down in there and seal, and then I'll take it out to the mower and get it put together so we can see if it works. Alright, I got the new intake put together. The gold parts in there. Had to put a ring clamp all the way around it, but that end right there is going to hook right there, and pretty obvious where the other end is going. So I'm going to get it hooked up and then we'll see if it's going to run. That smaller tube for a vapor line, though, I'm not sure if it's going to work right, but we'll see. Well, I got it hooked up and I tried to test run it, and it's not doing too hot. Let's see if I can get it started real quick and then get the camera back. It's getting way too much air. I'm having even moving my fingers and it wants to shut off. It starts up a lot quicker with that line right there in the bottom, though. It's getting vapor quicker. I might keep it on there as a secondary, but it's not going to work as the main source of vapor for the engine unless I make a screen for the throat right there where it'll restrict the airflow a lot more. Other than that, I don't think that's going to work by itself. So I guess I'm going to get it put back together and figure out how to put, like I said, that line in as secondary so it'll start quicker, and so I don't have that big hole in the bottom of the carburetor just sucking in air. Also went ahead and I got some more work done on the heat coil. I got the line I need to put in the vibration area. I got to put a mount right here so that holds that tight where there's not a whole lot of noise from it. Then that's going to run straight up to here. I got to go get some more parts to make a new manifold so all those plug together like the original tank made from that bottle did. And then all those will join into this line and it'll be pulling heated air into the bubbler, which should atomize the fuel. So hopefully I'll get a little more done on it tomorrow after work. But it should be running a lot better. And I got it put back together as well the way it worked. And I'm leaving that line right there that I put on earlier. I'm leaving it on as a breather line because that's what's pulling fresh air into the carburetor right now. And you can tell as it sits right now, it starts and runs pretty good. It starts a lot better with the bigger tube. I think that's where I messed up with that small line, but I'll get it figured out and get it where it's running on less than a cup an hour, and I'll be happy with it and finished.